Good evening, everybody. Trader24 for Trader24. JSE trading pretty directionless for most of the day. Come around about 4 o'clock local time, though, we saw that our index turned around and started rallying to the upside quite strongly, pretty much following the trend of the European indices in late afternoon trade. In the end, we saw that our market closed near its highest level of the day. The all share closing at 34,035 points. That was up just under 1%, and for a change, after the heavy paneling that our resource counters have been taking recently, it was nice to see that it was the resource counters, in fact, that added to those gains. Our resources up about 1.11% on the day, and our platinum counters adding 0.8% this afternoon. But our gold index continued to slip. Gold index was down 1.66%, and this was really on the back of Bernanke failing to provide any real clue in terms of further stimulus or any QE3 going forward, in spite of the fact that he painted a rather grim picture again. And I think I'm going to stick with the gold theme now. We did see the gold price basically start selling off yesterday after Bernanke's lack of conviction when it came to QE3 or any further stimulus. So our gold shares basically continuing to sell off from this morning, in fact. And I think the gold price and our gold counters are reaching critical levels now. So I'm going to stick with that theme and just look at a couple of graphs that we did put up on our Trader24.co.za site. And I'm going to begin with the gold index. As you can see, we put up the gold index here in US dollar terms, and the 1,550 level continues to hold, but only just. A break below this level could leave the gold price falling further to about 1,520, and a further break from here could see it going down as low as $1,500. On the other side of the equation, though, should the gold price rally and break $1,620, we'll probably see it moving higher to about $1,670. But for a definite bullish trend to resume, we need to see the gold price trading above $1,700. Our strategy remains the same. We long at 1,550, our stop loss at 1,535, with a target price of 1,620. As an alternative strategy, should the gold price rally to 1620, go short with a stop loss at 1635 and a target price of $1,555. If I can just move up quickly to the JSE gold index, also, as you can see here, reaching critical levels. The index has been in a sustained sell-off for most of June, but is now reaching strong support, as you can see on the graph. Also on the relative strength index, beginning to approach oversold levels now. Our strategy on this one, go long at 2,200, a stop loss at 2,150. Our target price on this trade, 2,400. Relatively low risk at this stage, being that it is reaching now critical support and is looking slightly oversold. If we just see it break in that downtrend, I think this could rally to 2,400 quite quickly. As an alternative, look at the gold shares. Gold shares, Anglo Gold, Goldfields or Harmony. Anglo Gold looking good at 255 Rand. Goldfields looking good at 97 Rand as a buy, and Harmony is also looking quite interesting at 73 Rand. Well, let's see how this gold play plays out. Bernanke is speaking again this evening, continues his testimony, so let's see how that will affect the markets going forward. But be sure to catch our next webcast with more news and a couple of new graphs. Trader24 for Trader.com.